Hello, this is the way to turn off the computer that we often use. You need 3 different steps to turn off your computer, so is there a faster way to turn it off? The answer is yes. Follow these steps. With this method, you only need 1 click to turn off your computer. You create a shortcut to turn off your Windows computer as above. This shortcut helps you turn off your Windows computer quickly. You create a shortcut with the parameters as above. The default icon for this shortcut is terrible, so I recommend you change it. In the list of icons there is a setting for the shutdown shortcut. Select it. Once completed, just drag and pan it on the taskbar. Now with just a single click to turn off your computer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please see me turn off the computer this way, very fast and convenient.